This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly.
Adobe Photoshop sits firmly in the premium category, and its pricing reflects that position. Instead of a one-time purchase, access is provided through an ongoing subscription model, which immediately frames it as a long-term investment rather than a casual tool. This approach makes sense for professionals who rely on Photoshop daily, but it can feel heavy for hobbyists who only edit occasionally. The subscription gives you continuous updates, cloud integration, and compatibility across devices, which is a big part of what you're paying for, even if that cost adds up over time. What really justifies the pricing for many users is the sheer depth of features. Photoshop is not just an image editor, it's a full creative environment. You get advanced photo retouching tools, non-destructive editing through layers and masks, powerful selection methods, content-aware fills, AI-assisted features, professional typography controls, and precise color management. It's equally comfortable handling photography, digital painting, compositing, UI mockups, social media graphics, and even light video work. Integration with other Adobe apps means files move smoothly between tools, which is critical for studio workflows and agency teams. Another major strength is Photoshop's adaptability. Beginners can start with basic adjustments and presets, while advanced users can dive into actions, scripting, and automation. Brushes are endlessly customizable. Plugins expand functionality even further, and the ecosystem around Photoshop is massive. Tutorials, presets, templates, and community support are everywhere, which lowers the learning curve despite the software's complexity. On top of that, Photoshop's pricing also covers long-term reliability and industry acceptance. Many clients, agencies, and production teams expect Photoshop file formats as a standard, which adds indirect value beyond the tool itself. The ability to open, edit, and deliver universally recognized files can save time and prevent workflow issues. While this doesn't reduce the cost, it does strengthen Photoshop's position as a professional necessity rather than just another editing app. However, the pros come with clear trade-offs. The subscription pricing can feel restrictive, especially if you stop paying and lose access to the software. Performance can also be demanding on older hardware, making it less accessible for users without powerful machines. The interface, while incredibly capable, can feel overwhelming, and mastering Photoshop takes time and consistent practice. For simple illustration or quick edits, it may feel like overkill. In short, Photoshop's pricing makes the most sense for professionals, content creators, photographers, and designers who need industry-standard tools and consistent updates. The features are unmatched in flexibility and depth, but the cost, learning curve, and system requirements mean it's not the perfect fit for everyone. It's a powerhouse, but one that asks for commitment in return. Autodesk SketchBook offers a highly accessible approach to digital drawing and illustration, with a free version available for most users and a professional version for advanced features. This makes it ideal for beginners, students, hobbyists, and even professionals who want an intuitive, easy-to-access tool without worrying about costly subscriptions. For those who choose the professional version, the pricing is straightforward, offering access to premium brushes, additional layers, and advanced export options. SketchBook's flexible pricing and accessibility make it a low-risk, high-value option for anyone looking to explore digital art or refine their skills. SketchBook delivers a surprisingly robust set of features for its price. The software is built for speed and simplicity, with a clean, distraction-free interface that prioritizes the canvas. The brush engine is highly responsive and customizable, supporting a wide variety of natural media brushes that replicate pencils, inks, markers, and paints. Layer management is intuitive, with blending modes, opacity controls, and support for multiple layers, making complex compositions manageable. It also includes guides, symmetry tools, perspective rulers, and predictive stroke features, which help beginners and professionals alike create precise artwork One of SketchBook's biggest advantages is its platform flexibility. It's available on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices, allowing artists to work wherever inspiration strikes. Stylus support is excellent, providing a natural drawing experience similar to traditional media. SketchBook also supports multiple file formats for exporting work, including PSD compatibility, which means you can easily move projects into other professional software if needed. The program is lightweight and fast, capable of handling large canvases without lag, which is impressive for free or entry-level digital art software. However, SketchBook does have limitations compared to more advanced professional software. It is primarily focused on illustration and sketching rather than full-scale photo editing or animation. Some advanced features found in paid programs like deep brush physics or extensive texture simulation are limited or absent. While it's easy to learn, the simplicity may feel restrictive for artists who require complex layer effects, compositing tools, or animation capabilities. The professional version unlocks more functionality, but even then, it remains best suited for digital drawing rather than heavy multimedia production. Regarding user feedback, not all software has verified Trustpilot or third-party ratings. Some programs, like GetQuinn, display public ratings, while others, including SketchBook, may not show official reviews. This doesn't indicate poor quality, it simply means ratings aren't available publicly. Evaluating SketchBook through trial versions, tutorials, and user forums can provide a more accurate picture of its performance and usability. Overall, Autodesk SketchBook offers tremendous value for artists at every level. Its intuitive interface, responsive brushes, flexible layers, and cross-platform accessibility make it ideal for sketching, illustration, concept art, and quick creative work. For beginners and professionals seeking a lightweight yet capable tool, SketchBook strikes a balance between simplicity and power, empowering creativity without the burden of complicated pricing or steep learning curves. Another advantage of SketchBook is its extensive library of preset brushes, guides, and community-shared resources. These assets speed up workflow, inspire creativity, and make learning the software faster. Continuous updates improve performance and refine tools, ensuring the software keeps evolving with artist needs. This combination of accessibility, flexibility, and ongoing support makes SketchBook a practical, long-term solution for creative individuals who want to focus on art rather than subscriptions. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more software insights. Click the link below to access Autodesk SketchBook and Adobe Photoshop directly. Explore their official pages and find the tools that best fit your creative workflow today.